Cathy Harris. My website is cathyharrisinternational.com. Our organic food movement website is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Now today we are going to talk about garden critters. Now some of the critters that we see out back are rabbits, birds, and snakes. You cannot play around when it comes to gardening or farming because there are snakes out here. I was 5 feet away from a snake about 30 days ago. It was a western diamondback rattlesnake. And I went on the internet, and what I found out about this particular snake, it's one of the most poisonous snakes in the world. And it's right here in my backyard. Now, the next week, my neighbor actually was screaming. She saw the exact same snake. So again, these are popular snakes in my area. So we try to be on the lookout when we come out here to work in the garden. Over here, we have cement blocks or cinder blocks up under the shed so that we can keep snakes away from us as we work in the garden. So far, the only thing that we're putting down for snakes are the Dr. T's Snake Away. So far, that is the only thing that most people are recommending. So all we can do to keep snakes away is to put out this Snake Away. That's it. There's not a lot you could do to keep snakes out of your garden. Dr. T's Snake Away. So make sure you get some Dr. T's Snake Away. Even though we put it out around the fence in the back of the garden, it still needs to be put out on the side fences also. After I saw the snake, I went out and bought me some snake boots. I can't believe that I was out here in regular shoes in my garden, working in my garden before I saw the snake. So make sure that you go out and buy some snake boots, and they need to go all the way up to your knees. Snake boots.